Let's explore the Report section. This feature streamlines report generation, removing the need for manual counting. In this section, you can generate various types of reports such as attendance monitoring, online research, summary of BPS collections, inventory, circulation records, accession list, overdue fines, and audit trail. Each report displays a detailed table, and calculated peak hours will also be shown. You can filter the data by selecting a start date and end date based on the range you want to generate. There's also a search bar to find a specific user. Just type the name and click Find to display the results. To export the data, simply click on your preferred format, PDF or Excel. The file will be named after the report type along with the date it was generated. The PDF file will include a header with the school logo, school address, report title, and the date generated. The Excel file will follow the same format. You can also view graphical data and choose how you want it displayed: daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can filter the start and end date of the graph and export it as a PDF for reporting purposes. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can generate accurate, well-formatted reports. Thank you for watching.